Hey, to improve sound quality on the Realme Buds Air 6, first of all, you will have to open this Realme Link application on your device. And now we have to actually make some changes. So first of all, I would highly recommend you to start from the earbud fit test. So all you have to do is just to input both earbuds inside your ears. And thanks to this, we'll actually get some information about the fit of the ear tips. And if we actually wear proper ear tips, it will actually get better noise cancellation and sound effects. So that's very important. Try to check all of the sizes that actually comes in the box. The next step is just to definitely turn on the LHDC audio codec. So we have to just turn it on, and now your earbuds will disconnect. After a few moments they will be reconnected. So this is the high resolution mode for the wireless audio. It's recommended to turn it on. Also, you can open the equalizer mode and you can find some 4 default presets. But if you want to get like your own preset, you can do this by creating custom equalizers. So you can set it up to your own preferences. So it's recommended to turn on the music or some sounds to set the low and the high and the mid frequencies to your preferences. And also, if you like bass, you can get the dynamic bass and increase between -5 or 5+. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.